My name's Laurie Archbold. I teach social and emotional survival skills here at Wilderness Awareness School. My favorite thing about teaching is that we get to be in this amazing, beautiful landscape and deal with our humanity. So we start with ourselves and dealing with the emotions that go along with being alive and human in this modern day, and then move towards the social, all with the support of this place, the core routines, and the more than human world. One of the things that people often reflect to me that they love about taking the time to do this course is just that they took the time. They took a weekend out of their life to slow down, to feel, to deal with journaling with their back against a tree about what's important, what's alive, what's stirring in their life. And we do focus a lot on resilience practices, and we human beings are very resilient, but doing these embodied practices in this place, in a group of people who are also doing the same thing, and then reflecting back to us and listening deeply and sharing vulnerably makes a really big difference for people. Also, we come out here and get in our bodies and have fun together and play games and work with our whole systems and our whole bodies to engage in these conversations, and we have a lot of fun and get playful and silly together too. This workshop is for you if you're interested in connecting to yourself, to the earth, to others. Also, if you want to cultivate emotional resilience, self-regulation tools, and view conflict as an opportunity for further connection. I love leading this workshop, and I hope to see you there. Okay, all right.